हेलो गाइस, सो वेलकम टू द पूरी राउरकेला वंदे भारत व्लॉग पार्ट 2। और जैसा कि मैं आप सबको अभी एक कैब राइड और डोर प्लेटिंग दिखा रहा था।
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा।
ଦୟାକରି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସମସ୍ତ ଜିନିଷ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ନେବାକୁ ଭୁଲନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ।
तो दोस्तों, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि इस वंदे भारत में ऑटोमेटिक डोर्स और सीसीटीवी कैमरास लगे हुए हैं जो पैसेंजर सेफ्टी को बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ाते हैं। तो हेड्स ऑफ टू इंडियन रेलवेज कि उन्होंने एक इतना अच्छा सेफ्टी फीचर हमारे इंडियन ट्रेन्स में इंट्रोड्यूस किया है।
अपना सारा सामान अपने साथ ले जाना न भूलें।
ଡାହାଣ ପାର୍ଶ୍ୱରେ ଦ୍ୱାର ଖୋଲେ।
दरवाजे दाएं तरफ खुलते हैं।
तो दोस्तों, अब हम लड़ाखोल से रवाना हो चुके हैं और हमने अब तक 3.5 घंटे का सफ़र पूरा कर लिया है। तो मुझे थोड़ा सा आराम करने दीजिए और मैं आपसे सीधा मिलूँगा झारसुगुड़ा जंक्शन पे। So guys, after taking a well-needed break, we have reached at our second last stop, झारसुगुड़ा जंक्शन। तो दोस्तों, अब हम उतर चुके हैं झारसुगुड़ा जंक्शन पे और मैं आपको बता दूं, यहाँ से राउरकेला सिर्फ 100 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे है। तो चलिए फटाफट से इस लास्ट 100 किलोमीटर्स को फ्लैट 130 किलोमीटर पर आवर की एक्सेल में कवर करते हैं।
पूरा A few moments later.
खत्म। बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।
So guys, this is the physically handicapped world in the Vande Bharat. So let's have a quick look at it. So I have locked the door, and as you can see here, we locked the door, and you can see the doors are here rotating. So toilet looks quite pretty clean, and yes, it's well equipped and made with keeping in mind the physically challenged persons here. And here you also have a pad, or you can see a baby bag, which is the diapers of the children. So yeah, it looks clean. Means I would not say that clean, but yeah, it's still, I would say, very much clean compared to the trains, as we have a notion about the Indian trains that they are very unclean. It's quite a bit good point where the Indian railways are developing. So as you can see, that's yes, so this person is, yes, they are also working, and everything is in, I can see, working condition. And yes, I think what happened here, and yes, the workers are also working, and sometimes they can be glitchy as it happens with every machine, but yes, so in order, in everything you can say that everything is working as fine as it should be. So let's let me do a quick pee, and we'll be soon in our seat. So after spending around 6.5 hours in the common chair car. So I will give you a quick seat review on how the seat has fared in my 6.5 hours journey till now. So yes, the seat is very soft and the cushioning is slightly bit harder than the executive chair car, but it's okay. You can easily travel in these seats for 6 to 7 hours without any trouble, and you have got the sockets beneath the seats, and as you can see we have sitting arrangement of 2 by 3. So yes, that's it. The major difference that we see is in sitting capacity, and yes, that you can rotate the seats in the executive chair car. So yes, that's it for the seat review, and we have crossed Jharsuguda and we will meet you shortly in Rourkela. Till then, let me pack up my things and we'll meet you shortly in Rourkela. तो दोस्तों, आपको अपने सीट के ऊपर ये स्पेसियस लगेज रैक मिलेगा जिस पे आप अपना सामान आराम से रख सकते हैं। प्लस इस लगेज रैक में इनबिल्ट रीडिंग लैंप्स लगे हुए हैं। ये देखिए, मैंने इसे ऑफ कर दिया और मैंने इसे फिर से ऑन कर दिया।
अलग गाड़ी है। On right side.
So finally guys, we have arrived at Rourkela and it's a bit dark as you can see. I guess there must be some problem, but yeah. So finally we have arrived at our destination. So that's it for today. See you again in some next video. Till then, take care guys.